Welcome to this YouTube video where we will discuss the recent news that renowned overclocker Roman Dare 8-hour Harding has tested PowerColor's Liquid Devil Radeon RX 7900 XTX. This graphics card has promised ultimate overclockability, and now we are seeing some amazing results of this card with certain adjustments. /N The Liquid Devil Radeon RX 7900 XTX already came with an impressive boost clock of 2680 GHz, which is much higher than the AMD's reference design. Plus, it was able to reach even more impressive speeds after Dare 8-hour increased the GPU voltage of the chip. /N In his YouTube video, Dare 8-hour revealed that the GPU can be pushed to speeds of 3.25 GHz to 3.39 GHz. To reach these speeds, he was able to increase the voltage of the GPU to 1.050 volts, which increased the power consumption to 500 watts. He even reached higher speeds at an even higher voltage of 1.142 volts. Unfortunately, even with these crazy speeds, power consumption of the board increased to 650 watts, suggesting the GPU was not designed to handle such frequencies. Nevertheless, these speeds achieved a 28% extra performance compared to AMD's reference Radeon RX 7900 XTX while consuming 83% higher power, which is pretty impressive. To sum up, these results show that PowerColor's Liquid Devil Radeon RX 7900 XTX is capable of handling some huge overclocking speeds with certain adjustments, suggesting it really can live up to its promise of ultimate overclockability. This has been a short overview of PowerColor's Liquid Devil Radeon RX 7900 XTX, and we hope you learned something new from this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.